In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Panini Direct app on Android. By the end, you will have the official Panini Direct app installed and ready to use on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It has a multicolored triangle on a white background. Once you tap it, the main Play Store screen will load, with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. Now, use that search bar to search for Panini Direct. Tap the search bar once and your keyboard will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type the words Panini Direct in the search field, then tap the search button on the keyboard. You should see a list of matching apps appear, usually with the most relevant ones at the top. From here, select Panini Direct by Panini America Inc. Look carefully at the app name and the publisher listed under it. It should say Panini America Inc. so you know it is the official app. The icon usually shows the Panini branding, which helps you confirm you are not tapping a similar-looking app. Once you spot it, tap the app name or icon to open its full Play Store page. On the Panini Direct page, tap Install. The Install button will be near the top right, usually in green. When you tap Install, the Play Store begins downloading the app files to your phone over your internet connection. If you are on mobile data, remember that app downloads can use some of your data allowance, while on Wi-Fi, it will not affect your data plan. After that, wait for the installation to finish. You will first see a small progress bar while it downloads, then it will switch to installing. On most devices, this only takes a short time, but it can be longer on slow connections. You will know the installation is done when the Install button changes to an Open button, and sometimes you will also see an Uninstall button appear next to it. That means the app is now fully on your phone and ready to launch. With the installation complete, tap Open. Tapping Open here launches Panini Direct straight from the Play Store, so you do not have to hunt for the icon yet. In future, you can open it from your app drawer or home screen like any other app. When the app starts for the first time, you may see a brief loading screen with the Panini logo before you reach the sign-in area. Finally, sign into your Panini account or create one. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then confirm to log in, and you will land on the main Panini Direct home screen with your account details loaded. If you are new, choose the option to create an account, fill in the requested information, and complete the setup. Your new account will then sign in automatically so you can start browsing and managing your Panini items. You have now downloaded Panini Direct on Android and signed in so you can use your Panini collection on your phone. If this walkthrough helped you get the app set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like tips like this, consider subscribing for more.